Genesis chapter 9 Audio Bible. God's covenant with Noah. God blessed Noah and his sons and said, have many children so that your descendants will live all over the earth. All the animals, bird, fish will live in fear of you. They are placed under your power. Now you can eat them as well as green plants. I give them all to you for food. The one thing you must not eat is meat with blood still in it, or I forbid this because the life is in the blood. If anyone takes human's life, he will be punished. I will punish with death any animal that take a human life. The man was made like God. So, however, murders a man will himself be killed by his fellow man. You must have many children so that your descendants will live over all the earth. Lord God said to Noah and his sons, I am now making my covenant with you and with your descendants and with animals. Everything came out of the boat with you. With these words, I make my covenant with you. I promise that I never again will all living beings be destroyed by a flood. Never again a flood destroy the earth. A sign of this everlasting covenant which I am making with you and with all living beings. I am putting my bow in the clouds. It will be sign of my covenant with the world. Whenever I cover the sky with clouds and the rainbow appears, I will remember my promise to you. To all the animals, that flood never again destroy the living beings. When the rainbow appears the clouds, I will see it and remember everlasting covenant between the living beings on the earth. That is promise which I am making to living beings. The sons of Noah who went out of the boat were Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Ham was the father of Canaan. These three sons, Noah, are the ancestor all the people on earth. Noah, who was the farmer, was the first man to plant a vineyard. After he drank some wine, he became drunk, took his clothes, and lay naked in his tent. When Ham, the father of Canaan, saw this, his father was naked. He went out and told his brothers. Then Shem and Japheth took a robe and held it behind them on the shoulders. They walked backwards the tent and covered his father, keeping their faces turned away so as not to see him naked. When Noah was sober again, he learnt what his youngest son had done to him. Said, a curse of Canaan, he will be a slave to his brothers. Give praise to the Lord, the God of Shem. Canaan will be the slave of the Shem. May God cause Japheth to increase. May his descendants will live with the people of Shem, Canaan will be the slave of Japheth. After the flood, Noah lived for 350 years and died at the age of 950.